idea what day of Corona Diaries we're on, but we have 3 days left before we go home and we are off to the waterfalls. To park at the bottom of the waterfall, but a lovely local just told us we can drive all the way to the top. We're struggling to get up the hill. The bike, I don't know if the bike's going to make it. The gate's closed with a padlock, but I'm just going to try and go around it.
The tides told us to, and if the tides told us to, then
I feel like
why not?
It's okay.
Here she comes, sneaking in, naughty naughty. Give me your hand. There you are.
Oh, it's easy enough to get round, but... Oh, thanks.
It's 15 minutes to the top. Do you feel naughty, babe?
Yeah, I do feel naughty. It's exciting. Breaking into a waterfall. We've been here for 3 minutes and we're going because it is mosquito heaven. Look. Absolutely. Ow. Annihilated.
It's beautiful, but I've never felt so uncomfortable in my whole life. It's karma for, that's karma for sneaking in, that is. That was a bad idea. I mean, it's still beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I'm in pain.
I'm sore, my legs feel like they're on fire.
Babe, do you know what I think we need to do? Go grab a couple of beers, sit on the beach, and watch the sunset. Because I feel like sitting on the beach and watching the sunset right now, those sand flies are going to feel like a foot massage. Up for it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.